Welcome back, old tractor fans. We're going to take this Sherman out of this 640. Right here's the Sherman combo. We're going to take this handle out. We've already undone the Allen head key. Take that out. Put that on the side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take these bars out. Some of them have a pin through here. This one had a bolt. If it has a pin, you just flop that down and push the whole bar out like this. This one we're going to take out, but otherwise you could do it like this, and then you can work this around it. You might have to take the front of this off to make it easier to get around, but we're going to take that out. We're going to take that one out. And then we're going to remove this other one. Okay. I've already undone some of the bolts in the back here. I've got to undo one more. You need a couple of extensions to get way in the back there. And then you should be able to work it back. The gasket, you'll have to redo the gasket. You got to tilt it. Sometimes it's easier to take the nose cone off, to tilt it to get it out. And that's it on the Sherman removal. You'll notice in the back, this back plate has to come off. That's part of the Sherman. But right now we're going to leave it on because I have to take this transmission apart and put new gears in because of some broken teeth on it. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching.